I'll help me understand what was the reason behind the brand Kala Bill. Like, are you from Black Cat Commando?
So basically ये था before we
Every fashion brand or every brand that we see nowadays, everyone has evolved through branding, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to the branding, it's now about who is differentiating. Right?
Yeah.
What's your take?
I feel psychology plays a lot in this picture. Every person may not like everything, but some people might like that thing that you also like. Every brand is finding that one niche.
Founders generally get burnt out, right?
Okay.
So I want to understand how should a person adapt to their stress or adapt to the work pressure that is being implemented.
The breaks are really important. Spend some quality time with your family, laugh, find some friends, laugh with them, have some drinks, but laugh with them.
Correct.
What will happen is you will forget what is going on.
Hey guys, welcome to the 6th episode of the CraftX podcast. I'm your host Pratik, and this is going to be a very special podcast as we are going to talk about the 7 dimensions of human life and how they shape an entrepreneur. Our last 5 episodes were generally more business oriented, but this one is going to be a special one. And with me today is Sahil Patel, founder of Kala Billa Clothing. And an interesting name. It acts as an intersection of lifestyle, clothing, and community, right? And as I mentioned, that it's going to be a very unique one because we are going to cover a lot of stories. We are going to cover a lot of practical insights and global case studies as well. So let's get started. So happy to have you again, Sahil. Been a while. We had a conversation on when to start, but then finally we are here. And happy to have you. First of all, guys, before we start, the hoodie that I'm wearing is from Kala Billa, and it's a beautiful hoodie that I wore. It's amazing. The material is amazing, right? And it's very comfy, to be very honest. So anyone looking for hoodies and clothing wear, you know who you reach out to. So, okay, Sahil, as I mentioned, that it's going to be a little different one. This one is going to be a little unique one, and which is where I don't want to sort of go around business, but rather understand a holistic approach. Right now, before we go with anything, before business, firstly comes health, right? And you are someone who, you are a muscular guy. You are someone who has been to, you work out, right? To what I know as well. So I want to understand that, someone who is building a lifestyle brand or, someone doing something in business, how do you balance your physical and mental health?
Basically, I see this as a discipline. So in the whole day, whenever you're working or you're not working also, showing up to the gym is basically one of the key discipline that I have. I'm not disciplined ऐसे बाहर, मतलब आप घर पे रख रहे हो, I'm the most shabbiest person. But when it goes to mental health or if you say physical health, I show up to the gym. If I am wearing a jeans also, I still go to the gym and work out. It's something that helps me. Like in the whole day, you're working, you have a lot of people, you talk to a lot of people. बट ऐसे होता है कि जब जिम जाते हो यू आर डी-स्ट्रेस देयर. जितना भी दिन का स्ट्रेस होता है, जब तभी अपन काम करते हैं, जब जिम जाते हैं यू मीट अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पीपल देयर. वन सेकंड व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग आउट यू स्वेट अ लॉट. व्हेन यू आर स्वेटिंग योर ऑल इमोशंस आल्सो फ्लो थ्रू देम. एंड आई सी दैट कि अ लॉट ऑफ जिम्स प्ले वेरी बैड म्यूजिक. तो मैं अपने हेडफोन लगाता हूँ. इट इज दैट फोकसिंग पीरियड दैट आई हैव. नहीं वो वाले गाने. But yeah, there are gyms that do this. So what I do, I put my headphones on and I concentrate.
Some more into powerlifting. So powerlifting needs a lot of concentration, because when you're lifting more heavier, the more concentration is there, the beautiful the rep goes in. You can't just do a half rep and then come up. So concentration अच्छा होता है. I feel that whenever we address mental health in this, is something that if you're working और वहाँ पर आपका situation बहुत stressful है, don't take that situation to all the situations you are being to. Like आप घर लेके मत जाओ, क्योंकि घर पे कुछ और कलेश चल सकता है और वो frustration वहाँ निकल के it becomes unnecessary arguments. वही same चीज आप जिम में भी नहीं लेके आ सकते. You are very angry and you're working out, it's not good for your health.
And then comes the ego lifting.
Yeah, that comes ego lifting, and recently you've seen.
Recently, I've been a victim of ego lifting.
Badly broke my back, but all right.
So I feel that every situation, आप जहाँ पर भी रहते हो, वो सिचुएशन को वहीं एंड कर देना चाहिए. अगर आप फर्दर लेके जाओगे तो इट स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अप, वो घड़ा बढ़ते जाता है और वो बर्स्ट आउट किसी और वे में होता है. यू आर नॉट एबल टू, मे बी 2 days later नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट इन वर्क ऑल्सो. वही चीज आप जिम में भी नहीं कर पाते, नॉट एबल टू लिफ्ट बेटर. आपका पूरा लाइफस्टाइल फिर चेंज होने लग जाता है. तो आई फील दैट जहाँ है वहीं का ही सॉर्ट करो, खुश रहो, ज्यादा दिमाग पे स्ट्रेस मत लो, मतलब लिव एंड लेट लिव वाले लॉजिक पे चलते चलो. इट्स द बेस्ट वे टू लिव.
Amazing take.
I mean, in terms of many founders, right?
Mhm.
I mean, founders generally get burnt out, right?
Okay.
And that is something that I have been hearing from for a while.
Mhm.
Sometimes even I also get burnt out,
Yeah.
and I think that is completely normal. But I feel that there has to be some, I would say, coping mechanisms to
Mhm.
everything that you're doing, right? So I want to understand how should a person adapt to their adapt to the stress or adapt to the work pressure that is being implemented.
I feel every person needs to burn out for sure. What happens is when you're building a business, your mind is working towards building it in 24 hours. So आपको कोई चीज दिखती है, like this is a opportunity, this is an opportunity. But this, when you're working with a team, you can't every time convey it to them. Because if I am an entrepreneur, I want to make sure that इसमें ये भी प्रिंट हो रहा है, ये भी बन रहा है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. बट ये सब एक साथ किसी को बोल नहीं सकते अपन. इट इज इवेंचुअली you'll get there. Like slow and steady, you have to be there. अगर हम पहले दिन पे सब करने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो बर्नआउट का ही सिचुएशन होता है. that becomes कि बर्नआउट होना चाहिए, but you should know how to come back. And in that sense, if a person is getting burned out again and again, the breaks are really important. Spend some quality time with your family, laugh, find some friends जो बकचोदी कर सकते हैं. I'm sorry for my language, but जो बकचोदी करते हैं उनके साथ बैठो, laugh with them, have some drinks, but laugh with them. What will happen is you will forget what is going on. You'll be in that moment, and उस moment पे जीना बहुत important है. क्योंकि दोस्तों के साथ बैठे ना, you don't see कि ये काम है, ये कुछ है. You sit there for chilling, and that boys time or the girls time जो होता है, that they sit and just talk about it. It helps you a lot. That burnout फिर अपने आप धीरे धीरे लगता है कि नहीं, it needs to have some time. इसको धीरे धीरे लेके आना चाहिए. तो I guess giving yourself that time कि मेरे को अभी chill मारना है, this is my chill timing, and I want to be with my boys. Basic. That is the time you are out.
What do you do in your chill time apart from sitting with boys? Is there anything else that?
I go on bike rides. On weekends, I take out my bike and I'll go outside. I have 2 bikes. I have Classic 350 and a Super Meteor, and planning for one more. So basically, more into biking. So what happens is when you start your engine and you go, वो रास्ता मालूम नहीं कि अपन बालियाड से राइट लेंगे तो मुंबई, लेफ्ट लेंगे तो कहाँ लेंगे. On that moment, आज लोनावला जाना है कि अदर जाना है, that moment decide and you go. Or either you go with a group for riding.
When it comes to groups, where तो plans ऐसे होते हैं कि go ahead and just plan.
Yeah. There are very random trips that I've done that, and best are non-planned. जो planned होते हैं ना, उसके अंदर last moment पे, जैसे मेरे साथ ही हुआ था recently, I canceled my Goa trip because I had work, and last moment पे I had some work, I had some meetings, so मेरे को cancel करना पड़ा. And वो planning 2 महीने से चल रही थी.
That is sad, but I'm sure your friends would have cursed you.
They still are cursing me. I still paid everything that was owed by me.
But I believe it's not even about the payment. It's about कि यार तूने जो PT दिया है मुझे.
हाँ, वो last moment दिया था.
Plan कर रहा हूँ, मैंने सब plan किया.
That too, my friend was coming from Canada.
Oh my God.
Say like कि भाई कुछ भी करके जाना है हम लोग को, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, कैसीनो बुक किया है, सनबर्न बुक किया है, सब कुछ के पैसे भर दिए है ना, नहीं आ सकता मैं. But yeah, it is sometimes जो unplanned होते हैं, you have the best trips, best memories that are unplanned, and you should have drunk friends because they make the best memory that you have. कि मतलब एक sober इंसान बैठा है, बाकी सब बंद है, उनके साथ बैठ जाओ, you have the best memories.
Correct.
And रोस्टिंग जो कल्चर है वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ही किया.
Correct.
So either go on a bike ride or either you meet your friends. This is the best way to get out of that burnout.
Completely understand you, relate well as well.
In terms of that, what was the last trip? When was the last trip? As you talked about the trips.
Last trip. Okay. Yeah, I went to Konkan.
Okay.
We were some 13, 14 boys, and we all went, and we are all part of a motorcycling club. But over there, we did not discuss about anything related to motorcycle or the club or anything. We just went there for chilling.
Oh.
We all went to the beach. We all were making sure everybody's like drowned there, गिरा रहे, कूद रहे, shells collect कर रहे, photos खींच रहे, memories बना रहे. And it turned out to be the best trip. Like we wanted कि ये trip खत्म ना हो. We booked a villa, और वो villa में ही हम बैठे थे. वहीं सब चल रहा है, वहीं मस्ती चल रही है. Amazing.
Now, as we talked about, health and fitness in general, I want to sort of know that, when it comes to, there's this recent, terminology, biohacking, right?
Okay.
In terms of, entrepreneurs are opting for biohacking, people have a lot of, people go on proper diets and everything. What's your take on biohacking?
See, I understand that a discipline is to be followed. I feel that when you're starting a business, there is no timing that is there. आपको कभी भी कोई भी client बुला सकता है वाला logic में लगाता हूँ. I try to make sure that I'm eating good food because the more energetic I am, the more energetic my company runs. If I am a lazy person, then it becomes that lazy कि हाँ ठीक है देख लेंगे. Discipline is genuinely needed when it comes to this. The more cleaner you eat, the more better your brain runs. I feel that instead of having food, I have a friend who does organic food and stuff.
Okay.
So she also helps me in कि अरे ये naturally आए. So every year we get mangoes, we get dragon fruits, we get oranges, जो organic farm से आते हैं. तो ऐसे ही करके we in my घर का खाना, I feel best. मम्मी के हाथ का खाना is the best biohack. जो डिसिप्लिन मम्मी बना रही, मम्मी को बस बोलना उसके अंदर पनीर या चिकन ऐड कर दो. So make sure that protein intakes are good and everything. अपने घर पे जो खाना बनता है is the best खाना. तुम बाहर कितना ही डाइट कर लो, बाहर कितना ही सब्वे खा लो, जब मम्मी बनाती है मम्मी बनाती है. आई फील बेस्ट वही है. एंड यू कैन जस्ट टेल योर मदर कि प्रोटीन से भरा खाना चाहिए या कार्ब से भरा चाहिए, तो वो तुम उतना फिगर आउट कर लोगे तो आई गेस.
I believe Indian moms, when it comes to protein, they are very closed. कि
वेरी मच
प्रोटीन खाएगा यार,
कितना प्रोटीन ये घी खिलाती है. जो मम्मी बचपन में घी खिलाती है वो हम जैसे थोड़े से हट्टे कट्टे रहते हैं लोग, but it helps.
Yeah, definitely. Interesting take. Now let's understand like that becomes the primary part of
our first sort of like a section where we talked about physical health and all that.
Let's understand your professional journey.
Okay.
How has your journey been so far?
So when I started with this company, I was a normal person. Like my family, I'm from a very middle class family. Just that my dad went outside to earn some money, so he had some capital, and I asked him कि ऐसी छोटी सी आइडिया से एक बड़ा बिजनेस बनता है, and I wanted to start something. तो me 23, 24 years old, my dad like कि हाँ ठीक है बोलेगा बाद में करेगा. So with that parallelly, I was learning Java, SQL. Before that, I'll just tell you, I'm a mechanical engineer. जिसमें मैंने 6 साल रखे थे. I'm not proud of, but अगर वो 6 साल नहीं रहते तो मेरी कंपनी आज नहीं होती और आज अपना पॉडकास्ट नहीं होता है. I would have been into some IT or any mechanical company working there, but I feel like that failure at that moment was necessary for the longer run. I feel that अगर वो तब नहीं होता तो आज हम यहाँ पर ऐसे नहीं होते. And जो लाइफ अभी हम जी रहे हैं, I feel I am the best life right now and trying to getting it better day by day. तो उस हिसाब से मेरे को लगता है कि we are going good. Other than that, when I started, so dad को मैंने बोला 6 months I need, and I figured out कि t-shirts कहाँ से आएंगे, printing कहाँ होगा, किधर होगा, packaging कैसे, website को बना, everything. So the next 6 months he like कि ये बोल के गया है, but ये कुछ कर भी रहा है करके. In that process, I was working at a mental fitness firm. I was just interning there, and I got 2 offers from 2 companies, Cognizant and Capgemini. एंड जब आए थे डैड बोलते थे ले अच्छा पैकेज है, सब कुछ है, बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत करके वो मिला से खिला भी था. क्योंकि तब जॉब का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था
This was back in
2021
COVID period.
या कोविड
COVID
so
period was mad for everyone.
तो तब IT was something that was at peak.
Correct.
लोग चाहिए था IT में, तो तब I learned Java and SQL. तो उस चक्कर में क्या हुआ कि I got placed also. But when I got placed, I did not want to take up the job. I'm a kind of person who can make people work,
Uh-huh.
and I can work with ideologies. If somebody is sitting on my head, I can work. That's same with my house also. मम्मी सिर पे बैठ के मैं काम नहीं कर, मम्मी बोले कि करके रखना, वो मैं अपने टाइम के हिसाब से सही करके रख दूंगा, बस उसको टाइमिंग कब रहेगा वो नहीं बोल सकता मैं. But I am a kind of person that loves to do things on my own rather than follow people. So I started this company.
How did the clothing, like why specifically clothing?
So I used to make YouTube vlogs
Okay.
back then because traveling was something that we could do. COVID के टाइम पे छुट्टी थी, जॉब नहीं था, तो घूमना ही था.
Correct.
और कभी कभी डैड से पैसे मिल जाते, मम्मी से पैसे मिल जाते, तो घूमना ही था.
Correct.
When I started like roaming around, I wanted something of my own. कि मैं अपना टी शर्ट पहन के चलूँ या फिर अपना कुछ प्रिंट रखूँ या फिर what is niche in the market, वो उसको मैं तोड़ने की कोशिश करूँ. जब ये थॉट प्रोसेस आया तो उससे हमने शुरुआत की. वी स्टार्ट विद जिम क्लोथ्स, वी स्टार्टेड विद एडवेंचर क्लोथिंग, स्टार्ट विद बाइकिंग, बट वी वर वेरी न्यू टू द मार्केट. When biking came into picture, I got like associated with a motorcycling club.
Okay.
When I got associated there, I got to know there are like whales in the market,
Uh-huh.
and I am just a small Nemo. But right now, ऐसे होता है 3 साल के बाद में we are still fighting with those all whales and sharks. But I'm there. People know who I am. People know कि ये नया brand आ रहा है. It is picking up.
Yeah, correct.
But for that thing to happen till that point, वो ऐसे लग रहा है कि प्रोसेस स्लो है, बेटर है.
Yeah, correct.
प्रोसेस फटाक से हो गया ना तो गिरता भी बहुत जल्दी है.
Hmm.
It needs to be slow and steady.
Yeah, correct.
So when I started with motorcycling, तो मेरा ये था कि they told me कि हमको ऐसे एक merchandising करके चाहिए. Then we got into customization.
अच्छा.
We started with our own prints only. कि ये बनेगा, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि ये आएगा तो फिर ये चलेगा.
What was the first print you?
Basically there was a biker friend, उसको हमने caricature में convert कर दिया था.
Okay.
And it was an off-road kind of bike. So Trail Hunters लिखा था. That was the first print.
Okay.
The first month we sold 17 t-shirts.
Okay.
Like कि start है, अच्छा है. And then it was shut down.
Oh.
मतलब किसी ने कुछ देखा ही नहीं. We did not know what SEOs are, what is B2C, what is D2C. ये terminologies हमें मालूम ही नहीं थे.
Hmm.
धीरे धीरे करके जब हम लोग ये चीजों में बढ़ते गए, we understood कि ये भी चीज होती है, वेबसाइट ऐसे दिखना चाहिए, सोशल मीडिया ये चलता है, there needs to be ads run to it. A person who is a mechanical engineering background, parents are both working, no business background. For them, we did a mistake that time, and I admit it, कि we made sure that जितने prints हमने उस टाइम बनाए थे, we stocked it.
Okay.
स्टॉक बना के रख दिया हमने. तो जब स्टॉक बना के रखा, बोला अरे वेबसाइट है, लोग को समझ में आएगा, वायरल,
Correct.
the next soul store or the next this I'll be there.
Next level.
Next बेवकूफ. पर बेवकूफ हम बन गए थे उस टाइम पे कि बोला वो कोई ले नहीं रहा है.
Correct.
Then we found out a way to make sure that this goes around.
Okay.
तो हम धीरे धीरे करके got into riding, motorcycling करते करते all the t-shirts went into motorcycling. Now you understood what people need, how things work. It took us 2-3 years to understand this. Because in the start what we want is कि हमारा business आए market में और burst हो जाए,
Hmm.
कि सबको खरीदना पड़े. But the process behind everything is very, very tough.
Yeah, very tough, very tough.
And that time still we are only 2 people in the company, and rest we have helpers and stuff. One is like offshore पे मेरे dad काम करते हैं मेरे साथ में because he's retired and he'll help me. Other than that, me and my designer, we work full time. And he's there since the start of the company.
Oh.
So he's one of the key person in my company right now.
Having a set of initial team is very important.
Yeah.
To build up a complete building altogether, right? Go ahead.
So उस सब चीजों में जब हमने शुरुआत की, धीरे करते करते we started building the brand. कि काला बिल्ला was something that people understood. काला बिल्ला was something, अच्छा ये कुछ नया ब्रांड है, क्योंकि एक तो नाम अटपटा है. वो नाम अटपटा होने के चक्कर में क्या है कि काला बिल्ला क्या करता
I
है,
also
what
want to know what is the story of naming the brand Kala Billa?
Okay, so I'll just complete this, then I'll come to that. So once we understood कि market ऐसे चलता है, customization is a vast and very vast, what do you say, area where we can do a lot of things. We just not start with hoodies or t-shirts. We did a lot of corporate gifts. Since I was a part of a motorcycling club, the members in that club are at a good post. That they saw that कि लड़का काम अच्छा करता है, अपने क्लब का बंदा है, तो क्यों ना इसको ट्राई करके देखिए. एक कंपनी से दूसरी, दूसरी से तीसरी. Now that we've got all these companies, I work with almost around 52 companies that are MNCs, local, everything. We do all kind of customizations. What happens is, at times your website won't work, but customization everybody wants it to work.
Yeah.
Because even you ordered a personalized stuff. सबको आजकल पर्सनलाइज ही चाहिए. मेरा नाम पीछे होना चाहिए, या फिर मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ अपने आज जो मेरे को लगता है कि ये डिजाइन अच्छा है, मुझे ये चाहिए, तो उसके हिसाब से we try and mold it. If you give us the design, we'll help you out with the printing and stuff. If you want us to design, उसका grade अलग होता है. We want other people also to get in. तो we make sure that a system is एक system और एक flow सही चल रहा है.
Okay, Sahil, help me understand what was the reason behind naming the brand, Kala Billa. Like, are you from, Black Cat Commando वगैरह ऐसा कुछ?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So basically ये था, before we हम लोग को जब नाम रखना था, I had this discussion with my father कि क्या नाम रखे. And that time मेरे खुद के बाइक का नाम बगीरा था.
Okay.
It is black in color, Royal Enfield bike, and what name can we suggest it?
Correct.
तो उस चक्कर में क्या हुआ कि I started with Bagheera. But when we had that trademark वाला discussion everything, they told us that Disney का character already है.
Correct.
तुम भले spelling गलत लिख दो, still Bagheera sound तो वही कर रहा है. They might create a problem. तो मेरे डैड को मैंने पिचिंग किया कि ऐसे ऐसे है. We search for some एकदम ऐसे स्टाइलिश सा नाम वगैरह. डैड आए काला बिल्ला नाम रखकर. And I was like, नहीं, no, this is like cringe लग रहा है ये. Like कि देख, बेवकूफ नाम था, बेवकूफ बड़ा ना आगे. The same way, even you can do it. बोला, बताता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ करके. And that moment, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मैं क्या नाम रखूँ. कि क्या क्लोथिंग रख सकते हैं, कि बी क्लोथिंग, समथिंग समथिंग, SP, और my initials, और my parents' initials. तो फिर वो ना काला बिल्ला मेरे दिमाग में वो सेट होते गया. कि अरे ये ऊट पटांग नाम है, रख तू, कुछ नहीं होगा. तू ऐसे रैंडमली दोस्तों को बोल तो मेरे साथ दोस्त है क्या नाम रखा है तूने, करे काला बिल्ला. एंड सिंस वी आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, तो एक तो प्रॉब्लम है कि काला बिल्ला का कुछ और ही नाम बनाते हैं लोग. दैट इज वेरी वेरी बैड, बट इट स्टक. Everybody started saying what is Kala Billa क्या है Kala Billa. And then I got to know about I guess there is a event that happens in IIT Bombay, something Kala Ghoda festival something. Like अगर ये हो सकता तो हम भी तो कर ही सकते.
हो सकता है तो बिल्ला
बिल्ला की नहीं सकता. So when it came to Kala Billa, people thought it's a cat. It's not a cat, it's a panther basically. तो process behind why a panther is basically वो panther जो leopard होता है. It is a part of leopard's family. It is very majestic, black in color, camouflage, दिखता नहीं है. And Bagheera was a leopard only. Like कि dad ने जब बोला इसको काला बिल्ला रख, तो it became that cycle of काला बिल्ला and everything. The story behind this is कि हम लोग को हमारा brand है वो normal नहीं रखना है. You want it to be rare, majestic, अच्छा लगना चाहिए. पहनने के बाद साल को लगे फील बहुत सही है कपड़े का, सही चलेगा, साल भर पहनेंगे, अगले साल फिर खरीदेंगे. इतना ही लॉजिक से हमने वो लगाया था. एंड इट बिकेम, फिर हमारा जब डिजाइन आया, जब हमारे डिजाइनर ने वो लोगो वगैरह बनाया, इट केम आउट टू बी लाइक दैट पैंथर एंड इट स्टक. तो जब काला बिल्ला करके, तो पीपल कॉल मी काला बिल्ला ओनली. वो ऐसे ये नहीं बोलते कि अरे साहिल से मिल रहा करके, अरे काला बिल्ला किधर है, बिल्ला किधर है, बिल्ला किधर है. फिर इट स्टक. क्या है, ऊट पटांग नाम रखने से लोग के दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. तो उसी थॉट प्रोसेस से हमने काला बिल्ला रखा. हमारे थॉट प्रोसेस भी मैच हुए, और बाकी लोग जब बोलते हैं अरे क्रिंज थोड़ा नाम लग रहा है करके, बट आई डोंट थिंक राइट नाउ इट्स क्रिंज. इट गोज गुड. कि जब लोग सुनते ना, like I've seen, I've met a few entrepreneurs that are like at a good level. वो जब सुनते इस चीज के बारे में, तो उनको लगे अरे काला बिल्ला, नाइस नेम. Then I got to know कि doing something others can't do it is something that I'm very good at. काला बिल्ला तो सेट हो गया था.
got it.
So from there, it has all started.
Yeah.
You came across with, as you mentioned the other time, that bands like Bevaku, or let's say Soul Stores, right?
To what I have seen them, they are very strong in the community building part as well, right? Like the designs are very relatable, right, and specific to an audience. Even like Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson का भी कुछ apparel होता है, right? So it is very specified towards. I would say their audience is very specific. The target audience is very specific.
Yeah.
So how do you ensure that your target audience is also very particular in terms of biking and to position yourself?
Okay. We started with biking. We are still doing biking.
Okay.
But what we want is our Billa should be everywhere.
Okay.
He's doing everything. He's not just a superhero, but he's also riding a bike. He's also going for surfing. He's also going for trekking. We're making sure that a part of cat family, it can be a cute kitten also. It can be a good majestic lion or a tiger also. He's doing everything. We want this animal kind of thing to come out. Because people relate to animals. People have these different kind of spiritualness towards animals also these days. See, we wanted something that to come up. तो हम लोगों ने बोला कि काला बिल्ला is something that does everything. We don't want to stick to one niche. We started with one niche. The time we start growing ahead, तो धीरे धीरे करके हम हर इसमें जाएंगे. ये ऐसा है कि बिल्ला सब कुछ कर सकता है हमारा. तो उस thought process से हम चल रहे हैं. And I feel if you say other brand like competition, it is, I don't have a competition with these people. I have a competition with myself. It is like कि आज मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, एक साल बाद मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब मैं शुरू किया था, जब मैं कुछ कर रहा था और आज मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, उसमें जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. Maybe 5 years down the line or 2 years down the line, I'll be doing this at a very big scale. So it is my competition. मैं खुद से चलता रहूंगा. अपना अगर प्रोडक्ट सब लोग को पसंद आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे सब लोग का प्यार बांटते बांटते हम सबको अपने बाटली में ले लेंगे.
That was a bit too frank, but okay. But it's a business, so well, you can speak it up. That's fine. Now, like specifically in terms of bikers, right? Like as I mentioned, the other part as well, the Soul Store, Wayokuf, they're creating their own communities. Similar to that, Nike brands like Nike are also creating very specific subcultures.
Yeah, correct.
So how do you plan to do it for the biking, I would say, community?
Okay. So when it comes to biking, right, you don't only wear cotton t-shirts, you wear tri-fit t-shirts also.
Correct.
So we make jerseys too. We make different kind of jerseys for dry fit, and as well as we make jerseys for people who want to ride. So skins jo hota hai, basically when football players wear it inside the jerseys, that material also we make. We make normal jerseys also. So making sure, because jersey is a platform, it is a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want on the jersey. So we make jerseys, dry fits also. It may not be कि वो इतना scale up नहीं कर पाए अभी तक हम लोग, but we are there. We make jerseys for our riding clubs also. We make jerseys for bikers also. We are introducing new things. See, as I said, if we go step by step, it is a process that we know all about. अगर मैं सब चीजें एक जगह पर डाल दूंगा ना, तो उसका हेवायरनेस ज्यादा पड़ेगा. एक दूसरा उसको सेट नहीं कर पाएंगे हम कि हम ये भी कर रहे हैं, ये भी कर रहे हैं, ये भी कर रहे हैं. उसके प्रोसेस में क्या है, एक स्टील लाइन नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे हम. वो स्टील लाइन पकड़ने के लिए हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि हम ये सब करते हैं, but not on that scale that we do t-shirts right now. We make jerseys, dry-fit jerseys, good dry-fit jerseys, but we're not putting it on the website right now. We want a market or maybe a community to be built thoda sa, and then we start introducing new products. So basically ऐसे कि as you said, Nike is something that does dry-fit and shoes पहले. वो धीरे धीरे अभी Nike कुछ भी introduce कर रहा है, सब लोग खरीद लेंगे. वैसे ही हमको भी करना है. We want to make a market and then start putting in new products, so it will be easier for us to sell. तो वो बिजनेस के प्रोस्पेक्टिव से भी सही है और थॉट प्रोसेस के हिसाब से भी कि एक नीश पकड़ा है, उस नीश में काम चल रहा है और उस नीश के अलावा बाकी सब भी काम चल रहा है. तो आई फील वी आर स्टिल इन दैट बिल्डिंग वाला फेज, बट सूनर और लेटर वी बी देयर.
Yeah, correct. And I believe that every fashion brand or every brand that we see nowadays, everyone has evolved through branding, right?
Yeah.
Like everyone sources their their clothes from some specific place, right? Like many of them do come from Surat, places like that. But when it comes to the branding, it's now about who is differentiating.
Yeah.
Like people are creating different communities. People are doing podcasts. People are doing shoots like everywhere, right? And everywhere. Now it's everything about branding. Right?
Yeah.
What's your take?
I feel, see, the point is psychology plays a lot in this picture. every person may not like everything, but some people may like that thing that you also like. Every brand is finding that one niche कि हाँ ये चलना चाहिए, ये हमारा लॉजिक लग गया यहाँ पर, ये सही चल गया, हम वही बना रहे.
Yeah, correct.
Every other brand, as you mentioned, sold, so they started with superheroes. Superheroes something that we all grew up watching.
Correct.
तो वो कैसे, मैं कैप्टन अमेरिका का शील्ड पहन के घूमूंगा, आयरन मैन का अगर हार्ट पहन के घूमूंगा तो मैं आयरन मैन लगूंगा.
Correct, correct.
उसी लॉजिक से वी आर फाइंडिंग कि इफ समथिंग दैट वी वांट टू क्रिएट, वो अगर लोगों को पसंद आए एंड इट क्लिक्स,
Mhm,
दैट क्लिक एवरीबॉडी इज फाइंडिंग.
mhm.
एंड आई फील वो क्लिक होने के लिए टाइम लगता है, बट वंस इट्स क्लिक, लाइक वो जब क्लिक हो जाएगा, इट इज सेट टू गो.
Yeah, correct.
वो एक बार चल गया तो चल गया. तो
Hmm.
एवरी ब्रांड इज बिहाइंड दैट.
Yeah.
Either you start a streetwear brand, either you start something, clothing, customization, anything.
Mhm.
It just needs to be clicked.
Just needs to be.
Yeah. वो अगर हो गया, then you're, it's okay. वो चलता रहेगा.
Mhm.
You need to get that in, what do you say, motion.
Mhm.
एक flow set रहना चाहिए, एक recurring importance है उसको.
Yeah, correct.
तो वो एक बार होगा तो I guess you're good to go.
Yeah, correct, correct. In terms of the recent, trends
Mhm.
side, I'm sure there would be some recent materials that
Yeah,
be
yeah,
introduced in the market
Yeah.
or some other specifications, right? So I want to know that from you, that what are the recent trends maybe that are going on in the
See, everybody is running behind oversized, drop shoulder, baggy stuff.
Correct.
Nobody wants to wear some tight stuff right now. Everybody wants to hide what they are inside. So I feel best way of doing it, whatever suits you, you wear it. अपन वही बेचते हैं कि हम लोगों ने अभी ये देखा है कि people want to wear a lot of drop shoulder t-shirts. So I'm also wearing a drop shoulder, like trying to get in the trend, because the trend is weekly changing. आज तुम्हारे पास जो प्रिंट है वो एक हफ्ते बाद कुछ पुराना है.
Mhm.
इट्स जस्ट लाइक री. वो 15 सेकंड देखने का भी टाइम नहीं, लोग ऊपर ऊपर आ रहे हैं. दोज हु वांट टू वॉच इट, दे विल वॉच इट.
Yeah, correct.
दोज हु डोंट वांट टू वॉच इट, धड़ 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 ऊपर 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 जाएगा. वैसे ही ट्रेंड का भी है. आज ड्रॉप शोल्डर चल रहा है, कल कुछ और आएगा, कल टाइट का वापस से आ जाएगा. हम सब कर लेंगे.
Yeah, correct,
हाँ,
correct,
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसका.
correct.
in terms of this is so definitely dependent on the audience as
Mhm.
well, the age group as well
Yeah.
specifically, but I want to understand you also provide clothes to I mean you do customization for brands and companies as well.
Yeah.
So what is that I would say trend which you have noticed at least in companies?
When it comes to corporate, they're fixed with what they want.
Okay.
Either they want their company logos to be printed on a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt और नेवी ब्लू टी-शर्ट. ये 3 कलर छोड़ के मेजॉरिटी में कोई नहीं आता. बहुत रैंडम ऐसे कंपनी होते हैं जिनको कुछ फंकी करना होता है, जिनके एचआर बहुत एकदम ऐसे खुशमुख दिल मिजाज के होते हैं. तो वो लोग के ऐसे होता है कि वी वांट फन फ्राइडेज या ट्रेंडिंग ट्यूसडेज ऐसे करके. दैट टाइम देयर एचआर कम्स टू अस कि अरे हम कुछ ऐसा अलग सा चाहिए. दैट टाइम वी सजेस्ट कि ये ओवरसाइज ले लो ये सब. And that corporate has that uniform structure.
Mhm.
And that is important also कि whenever you're going for a client meeting, you can't be in a baggy jeans like him. वो ऐसे ढीले नहीं रह सकती. You need to be
Correct.
properly dressed.
Correct.
So उस time पे collar t-shirts work more prominently.
Mhm.
People more go to embroidery
Mhm.
because it gives a 3D effect, right?
Yeah.
And it looks much better.
Mhm.
That shine comes because of the threads and everything.
Mhm.
तो embroidery के लिए ज़्यादा मेरे पास में orders होते हैं. A lot of people who are there जो basically workers के लिए t-shirts ही होते हैं, they want only dry fit t-shirts.
Okay.
क्योंकि आज ये पहना कोई इस्त्री नहीं करेगा वहाँ पे, कोई उसको वो प्रेस से घस देंगे पहनेंगे. तो बहुत डिफरेंट स्केल पे मार्केट चलता है. When it comes to दिवाली में लोग को गिफ्ट देने, मतलब कंपनीज को ऐसा था कि हम दान दे रहे हैं, तो उस टाइम पे वी कम इनटू पिक्चर, वी गिव कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट्स, वी मेक श्योर दैट दिवाली गिफ्ट्स आर देयर, चॉकलेट्स होते हैं, कुछ भी. वी मेक देयर किड्स. अभी तो जो हमारे ऑर्डर चल रहे हैं वो किड्स बनाने के पीछे ही चल रहे हैं. सो उसके अंदर ऐसे होता है कि दे हैव अ फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट कि यही चाहिए हमको. उसके अंदर दे वांट प्रीमियमनेस. इफ यू आर सेलिंग अ टी शर्ट फॉर 1,000 रुपीज टू दैट कंपनी, भले वो मैं उसको 1,000 रुपए का नहीं 1,500 रुपए का बोल के बेचूंगा, बट उनको प्रीमियम में 2,000 चाहिए होती है. ये होता है कि हमें सस्ते में मिल रहा है बट प्रीमियम दिखना चाहिए.
Yeah, correct.
Your employee going outside in front of any other company or meeting to a client should be tip top. वो कपड़ा क्या डिसाइड करता है, हम देते हैं, वो डिसाइड करता है. तो I have a variety where it starts from 200 rupees also, it goes to 2,000 rupees also, but it varies. तो corporates is always good with what they have stuck to, कि कॉलर टी शर्ट लगेगा, ये यहाँ पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी होगा, ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, दैट्स इट. एंड दे वांट टाइम वाला चीज, ये अभी दिया है, ये टाइम फ्रेम पे काम होना चाहिए बस. एंड वी मेक श्योर कि हम लोग को बोला 2 हफ्ते मिले तो मैं 1 हफ्ते में डिलीवर करूँ. तो क्या है कि उनसे रिलेशन ऐसे अच्छे हो जाते हैं कि यार ये कंपनी फटाक से दे देती है, तो उस चक्कर में ऑर्डर ज्यादा आते हैं. तो आई फील लाइक जो डिलीवरी वाला जो लॉजिक हम देते हैं वो बहुत कम कंपनी कर पाते हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी करके दो. और एट टाइम्स वी कांट डू एवरीथिंग, वी हैव वेंडर्स अराउंड अस. उन वेंडर से जल्दी कैसे काम करना वो मेरा स्किल है कि भले ही तो 100 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा ले ले भाई, बट काम मेरे को जल्दी करके. तो इट्स गुड.
Just so that the audience understands, who are the brands we have worked with?
Okay, I can reveal this.
Yeah.
So we work with Wipro, we work with Kohler, we work for Triumph, KTM, Royal Enfield, Railco, a lot of companies. Then we have General Mills, we have Grundfos, majority जो भी है, TCS we work with Infosys, I work for Accenture. All these companies are there, and we work with them on a very small scale level, but we work with them.
Amazing. Great going actually. My next question to you, rather my next segment of the discussion, is about money and psychology.
Okay.
Now, I want to understand that as an entrepreneur, we are generally stuck in a trap of taking risk by doing reinvestment versus keeping it as a security. How have you tackled that?
मैं बहुत सीधा बोलता हूँ इस चीज के अंदर, रिस्क ले लो. बेस्ट चीज क्या होता है पता है क्या? तुम्हें रिस्क लेने के बाद में फेलियर समझना आता है और तुम बार बार वो फेलियर के पीछे भागते नहीं हो. क्या री इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लेने पे अपन वो इंडियन मेंटालिटी वही होती है ना कि सेव करना है. दैट्स गुड, आई डोंट डिसएग्री टू इट, बट द पॉइंट इज रिस्क लेना कम नहीं होना चाहिए. क्या होता है उससे तुम्हें 2 चीज समझ में आती है. एक कि तुम रिस्क ले सकते हो, तुम्हारा गट फीलिंग बोला भाई कर ले तो कर लो. वो सेकेंड इसमें कैसा होता है जब तुम वो डिलेमा में जाते हो कि यार करूँ नहीं करूँ, ये नहीं करूँ, तुम ओपिनियन में आते हो. बट रिस्क लेना मेरे को पसंद है. लाइक इट गेट्स इन अंडर प्रेशर, और अंडर प्रेशर काम करने का मजा कुछ और होता है, बिकॉज इट ब्रिंग्स आउट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ यू. क्योंकि तुम जब रिलैक्स रहते हो ना तो हाँ ये हो जाएगा, बट जब तुम प्रेशर में रहते हो योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग डबल, और उससे क्या होता है कि तुम परफॉर्म सही करते हो. फिर अंडर प्रेशर परफॉर्म करना आना चाहिए.
So, balancing passion and discipline, right?
Yeah.
Or rather, the finances. So it is something that many people face a problem.
Okay.
Right? कि सब में करना है, invest भी करना है, ये भी करना है. And I think this is the perfect answer to that. That keeping a combination of everything, but at the same time understanding that until you take the risk, until you iterate faster, you won't get to the level that you're trying to reach out.
See, that's the point ना. अपन क्या डरते क्या है कि अपन गिरेंगे. जब भी कोई इंसान पहले बाइक चलाना सीखता है तो वो वही होता है गिरेगी. कि जब अपन कोई चीज सीखते हैं ना उसमें गिरना इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम अगर फेल नहीं होगे तो तुम्हें समझेगा नहीं. यू कैन ऑलवेज बी अ विनर, यू नीड टू लूज टू बी अ विनर.
Correct. I'm sure that now we can say that very very clearly or very honestly, but looking from a perspective of someone who is just starting out, उसके लिए his first loss, for me, I have also incurred a lot of losses. So for you, in terms of understanding that, what was your first loss?
As I told you in the start, we stacked up a lot of t-shirts. तो वो एक लॉस ही था, बट लेकिन उसको लॉस को हमने क्लियर कैसे किया हमें को मालूम. बोला थोड़ा रेट कम, प्रॉफिट कम, बट लेकिन बेच तो निकाला ऐसे वाला. तो इट्स बेटर कि तुम गिरो चलेगा, बट ऐसे है कि तुम उससे बाहर भी निकलना चाहिए. अ लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स shut down just because they have a good loss. If they're able to cope up from it, उस वे में मेरे फादर मेरे बैकबोन थे कि he makes sure कि it is going good.
And I agree there. I mean, family plays a big role in business any which ways. Even in my case, my parents are very supportive too.
Supporting parents are really very. क्या होता है कभी कभी स्टार्टिंग में वो उन्हें क्या जाकिर खान ने कैसे बोलता, बच्चों गरीब में देखना चाहते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स. वैसे ही अपने पेरेंट्स भी अपने को ये नहीं देखना चाहते कि गिरे या फिर ये, बट क्या इट इज आवर वे ऑफ लाइफ, वी वांट टू स्ट्रक्चर इट. अब हमारे पूरे खानदान में कभी किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया, एंड आई एम द ओल्डेस्ट. मतलब मेरे जितने कजन्स है ना मेरे से 7 10 साल छोटे. नाउ देयर पेरेंट्स गिव एन एग्जांपल कि अरे देख साल भैया देख कैसे करते हैं, इसने बिजनेस चालू किया, he's taking that risk. So for me, I feel very happy that even my mom, when she teaches at school, that you are also a part of.
I used to get badly hit by a mom, or rather, this shouldn't go on the podcast.
He's my junior, by the way, from school, and I got to know this today.
Just one curious thing, like something that came out of nowhere. You had a rather a business family, right?
Okay.
What difference would that had made?
यार ऐसे बोलना बहुत टफ है. एक चीज क्योंकि क्या है कि when you come from a family who's seen a lot of money, they don't need such kind of thought processes. I feel उनके लिए चीज नॉर्मल हो जाती है. For us, if I get like if you're for example if I get a lump sum amount of money in my account right now, मैं उसका एफडी बनाने के पीछे भागूंगा. फिर भी लकी भाई सेविंग करते इसको मतलब आज नहीं कभी बाद में यूज किया जाएगा, क्योंकि कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, हायरिंग अच्छी करूंगा. आई विल थिंक इन दिस पर्सपेक्टिव. आई वुड लाइक टू सेव दैट मनी. उसको बैंक में रखने का उसका ब्याज ले सकता हूँ, चलेगा मेरे को, बट लेकिन इट विल बी सेफ. क्या है कि अभी इतनी पैसों की जरूरत नहीं है कि अचानक से वो घर खरीदना है या बाइक खरीदनी है ऐसे करके. बट आई फील saving is more important.
Now let's understand, your social life.
My social life.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, how is your social life?
Okay. So I'll tell you, I have a lot of friends, but close to me are very, very less friends. I have a bunch of friends, okay, where I can roam out with, but I cannot speak to them the way I want to speak with a few people that I have. My social group is genuinely big. क्लब मतलब मेरा मोटरसाइकिल क्लब भी 550 लोग का है, तो वही आधे हो जाते हैं. उसके बाद आई हैव अ स्विमिंग ग्रुप, आई हैव अ जिम का ग्रुप, आई हैव 2-3 मोर ग्रुप्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट लाइक आई गो टू माय फिजियोस, उनका ही ग्रुप है जिनके साथ मैं हैंग आउट करता हूँ. आई वाज इन रोटरा क्लब वगैरह, तो उनके साथ कुछ ही लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं हैंग आउट करता हूँ. बट इन दैट आई हैव लाइक 4-5 फ्रेंड्स दैट आई कैन एक्चुअली टॉक टू देम. like वो होता है ना कि I can sit and talk to and share my feelings with them. There are very less friends, but to chill, hang out, I have a lot of friends. But छोटा सर्कल है जहाँ पर मैं रोज उनसे मिल सकता हूँ, रोज उनसे बैठ के मैं सिर्फ कॉफी पीता हूँ. Like one of my good best friends, I just meet her, I have a coffee and we go. Like दिन में क्या किया, क्लब में क्या चल रहा है, दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, कि आज किसको क्या बोला, ऐसे. That's it. And we come home.
I think that. I mean, very few people have that.
Yeah.
It's become more like a privilege now.
I genuinely envy my childhood, yaar.
Now, my next question is related to your personal goal. Beyond Kalabilla, what's the next horizon?
Beyond Kalabilla, I want to do something related to traveling or biking. I want to. So there is one bucket list that I have. I don't want to jinx it. I've told you before the podcast. That is something that I want to do. It's like something that is I would want to actually achieve. Best part of my life will be कि सब जगह देखा है, but लेकिन पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट लेके नहीं.
Correct.
बस इतना ही. तो मेरा वो एक है कि अदर देन दैट आई वुड फील कि जैसे चल रहा है चलते रहने दो. ग्रोथ अच्छी लग रही है मेरे को, ये वाली धीरे है बट मजा आ रहा है. तो पर्सनल गोल में ऐसे कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाना इज बेटर है. इफ यू स्टार्ट जंपिंग, नहीं मजा नहीं आता फिर.
And almost we had so much of a conversation. What I could understand is that you are really good at speaking part, really good at the talking part. So nowadays, this is something that is a suggestion from my side, that creator-led brands are getting more of fame, or they get more traction, or say traffic, right?
Okay.
So is there a way on? I suggest you that you should start the content creation.
I used to, but I feel that right now वो मेरा एक लॉजिक ऐसा है कि धोनी और राहुल द्रविड़ बनना बेहतर है. I don't want to be a विराट कोहली.
Okay.
I want to be a धोनी.
Okay.
एक शांत है, बैक एंड में खेल रहे, मजा आ रहा है. I don't want to be a front end person right now. I feel that creating content is very easy on a general note. Apart from everything I'm saying, creating content is easy, but the point is finding your public that wants to watch that content is tough. My point is your podcast is giving that information. I really like watching podcast, listening to people, because they've done something in their life. Today also, if I'm sitting and talking to you, maybe this is something that is a start of something. Maybe 5 years down the line, you are a bigger brand and I'm again on your podcast. And it'll be a different vibe, basically.
Yeah, correct.
And since you are from my school, right? It is a different vibe already.
Correct.
Yeah, but still.
We've already created that sort of like.
But I feel that I would actually, one of my mentors also told me कि बैक एंड में खेलने का जो मजा है ना, फ्रंट एंड में खेलने का मजा नहीं होता. I feel, and this is recently I've known, जो नजर लगती है when you start flaunting a lot, no, कि अरे ये भी कर रहे वो भी कर रहे, उस टाइम पे there are people who do not want you to succeed or something like that. Somewhere that's superstition that I feel कि अपने तक रखो चलेगा, relationships हो, social life हो, ग्रुप्स में ठीक है, बट पर्सनल कोई चीज कहीं डालना ना थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है मेरे को कि it hampers a lot of things. Maybe some people like it, some don't like it. बट वो क्या है कि अपने को नजर नेगेटिव नहीं चाहिए.
So you believe in spirituality?
Yeah, sometimes. I'm not that spiritual or religious. Zara bhi, I don't look like that also. But I feel that there is one power. And मैं मेरी मॉम को ये चीज बोलता हूँ कि every power that is there in this universe, you have that power. तो मैं मम्मी के साथ लड़ता भी झगड़ता भी बहुत, बहुत प्यार भी करता हूँ मम्मी से. मैं मॉम के साथ ज्यादा रहता हूँ. My mom is like my बिड़ू. बिड़ू मेरा बच्चा है तो बिड़ू. तो I play with her like that. Like I become धर्म पाजी कि अरे बेटे क्या चल रहा है, बेटे शर्मा. I do this to her and I enjoy it. So I feel that spirituality ऐसे नहीं है, but I feel that there is a power that she has and she believes in. तो अपना सेट ही कोई ना कोई एक केटी लगा रहा है, फिर क्या प्रॉक्सी लगा रहा है अपने नाम की, तो सही चलता है.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Now almost we are at the end of this podcast. So, I have a few questions for you, sort of like a rapid fire round. Okay. Now wherein let's have this conversation as well. Okay. So first thing you would splurge on if you had 1 crore landed in your account, which you somewhere answered, but I want to still know.
Invest. Yeah.
Okay. Who is your 2 a.m. phone call person?
A lot of people. There's Sumit, there's Arya, there is Shreya, there is Anup sir, एक दो लोग और हैं जिनको मैं रात सर थोड़ा इश्यू हो गया है, ऐसा I can call.
Okay.
Last time you had a crazy night out,
Konkan.
and what had happened?
Everybody is drunk.
Okay.
And I was a sober person there. Like wow, everybody's dancing. बोला मेरे को शांति चाहिए. Everybody's dancing और मैं नाच नहीं रहा हूँ, तो सब लोग ऐसे ही बोल रहे कि क्यों नहीं नाच रहा. मतलब तुमको देख के बहुत मजा आ रहा है क्योंकि तुम कुछ नहीं नाच रहे, तुमको लग रहा है तुम नाच रहे हो करके. Yeah, one crazy night.
One mantra or a quote you live by?
Live and let live. Best.
Okay. If you could gift one product, one Kala Villa product to a celebrity, who would it be and why?
I'll give a t-shirt only. And I would give it to Salman भाई अपने. बोला कि एक बीइंग वुमन और एक काला बिल्ला कोलैबोरेशन हो सकता है, तो बोला भाई लेट्स डू इट. सिंपल. मतलब इंडिया का नहीं, बोले यू कैन से ग्लोबल प्रेजेंस सही है. मतलब भाई को टी शर्ट पहना. हाँ बोला, और भाई है तो डूबेगा नहीं. क्लोथिंग ब्रांड तो नहीं डूब रहा है, बाकी पिक्चर का तो पता नहीं.
If you weren't building the brand that you are building today, what would you be doing?
Okay. I would be in an IT company, front in a PC or a laptop, or cursing my manager, and फिर उसको शाम को लेके बैठा रहता. अब बाइट टू बाइट क्या बोल रहा था ऑफिस में, किसके सामने बोल रहा था, अच्छा इधर. Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for being a part of the Craftex podcast. So guys, as we are at the end of this podcast, we usually see the founders from a lens of business perspective. But this one was larger than life. This one was about the 7 segments of a human life. So for the next episodes, stay tuned and follow Craftex.